studio. Here we go. What we have 3 monitors. This is La Plata, Missouri West. This is basically a live feed of a camera at a train crossing. And this is playing at 1080. And that's what's on the top monitor. The bottom monitor, where we're cutting up some video in Premiere Pro. Whoa, and we're not tripping over chairs. And then we got, we even running our plugins. We got our controllers down there. And then over here we got an old iPad 2. Here's the thing, this iPad 2 is also running this exact same live camera feed, also at 1080. Okay, so the quality of both of these are 1080. Okay, the desktop is actually wired, but the iPad is actually Wi-Fi, so that's what's going on. Let's check out the book I found at the thrift store, and we're talking about old communication, we're talking about new communication. And what this is basically the history of the telephone. I mean, this is an amazing book that teaches like fundamentals about communication. And so you've gone from this to this. Ooh, do you hear that? There's a train coming out there in Missouri. And you can hear it's a live feed train. Live 1080 feed. Live 1080 feed. Okay? We have a video which is going to be coming out on Growhead. Check out Growhead. This is kind of a personal video, but it's a video nevertheless. And then we have, of course, my favorite books, and I've been buying a lot of old books. Like this was a 59-cent book at the thrift store, and it's basically all about, man, that train's a little loud. Train going by. I think I do. Maybe I don't. And then, of course, all the important things to me. What is life? Life is not, it's not an old iron. It's not Lou Reed. It's not Mark Bolan. It's not the creepy night. All the ones I love. There's a diamond right there. So and that's what everybody's after right there. But check it out, it's tranquil. It's in the lap of the meditating frog. This is actually part of the studio. What we have here is we have the light switches. These are going to actually control various aspects of the studio. This one, for example, is going to turn on the actual movie light setup I have. And then we also have the main feed, which is the light bulb up here. Now what that's going to do is that's more of a working environment, okay? So now we got like a working environment in here. We have a whole different light temperature, if you will. But we have all the same stuff going on here. Okay, all the same stuff. You know, all the same stuff. But we're studying shadows, we're studying light on human kind of skin and how to set up a good shot. And then we also have a 78 player. Now this is connected to one of these switches. I can't remember which one it is. Is it monitor? No, I know what that is. That's the, it's hooked up to auxiliary. So we flip the auxiliary switch. There it is, okay? And so all we needed was an auxiliary switch. Now we have a light setup that is conducive to some sort of difference. You know, now we're actually filming a different style of video. Check it out, live trains. We got the, and all this equipment. We're going to be going over how to get a bitchin' studio on a, you know, on a, I guess a mid-level kind of salary, you know. There's the Kit Kat. Now this Kit Kat's gonna glow in the dark, and I tested this. This is called a glow in the dark Kit Kat. It's Halloween. Halloween's tomorrow. I hope everybody's enjoying the holidays. But this Kit Kat bar says it comes with a glow in the dark wrapper, and I actually tested this out, and it does not work. So yeah, check it out. Glow in the dark Kit Kats do not glow in the dark. We have some aesthetic which we're working on as well. I want to actually add some of my own personal aesthetic to it, as far as that picture right there, which is one of my favorite pictures ever. So that's pretty much where we're at right now. We're still working on this setup. Oh, we got a train coming. Shall we check out the train? Check it out. Subscribe to the channel. You don't want to miss out on any of this stuff. We got Growhead, we got Chill Computer Guy. Everybody's kind of coming together, you know. All right, so that's where we're at. That's where we're going to keep this track right here.